Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on the BMW E46 and we'll show you how to turn airbag light off on BMW E46. Okay, you can see our airbag light is on, car is running, everything's fine, but the airbag light is off. And now we'll explain what it could be done, what happens if you turn the light and it comes back on, and we'll explain all that, so stay with us. In the meantime guys, we have more than 200 videos taking this BMW apart, so please subscribe. If you need help with anything, drop a comment below, we'll try to make a video for you. So thank you guys for watching, please check out our official World Mechanics page and let's start on it now. So all we have to do, find the OBD port of the car, connect our scanner, and that scanner works for pretty much almost any car guys. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here, really good scanner, so let's go ahead and see if we can turn it off now. So this is the Maxicom guys, you can find it in the description of the video below. Now I want to show you how many cars, okay, and how many vehicles that thing supports. It is crazy. Okay, we're going to click on VIN number, auto detect, and it's going to connect to the car now, and it's going to read the VIN number and tell us what model it is. And I left the car running on purpose now. Okay, later we will have to turn the ignition, the engine off and the ignition on, and I'm going to show you. So now it's scanning, it's going to take a little bit of time, okay, to load all the data and see if it's going to find it now. Okay, this is our VIN number. We click OK to confirm BMW E46 316i M54 engine, June of 2015. We confirm that this is the correct one and we can proceed with the next step now. Now this is going to take a little bit of time, so we'll come back in just a minute when it's ready. Okay, it says to turn off ignition with a wait approximately 10 seconds and switch ignition on after that. Okay, so we're going to wait about 10 seconds. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go ahead, turn the ignition on only. We click OK. Okay, here we confirm. Diagnosis, we go to control unit and we're going to select body, in our case airbag module. Now here, okay, we're going to go ahead and check the codes, read codes. Okay, power supply, check this thing out. Power supply means that the battery was too low. So that code guys, okay, that is because probably the door was open for a long time and as a result the lights were on and that drained the battery as well. Okay, next one is side airbag front right. So that's probably when we disconnected the airbag and as a result, okay, it stored the code. Check wiring harness coding, check control unit coding. So ours is good. Now we're going to go back, click escape. So we're going to click next, erase codes. All the information will be deleted. Yes, codes have been successfully erased. Return to the function menu and tap read codes to verify. Now what I'm going to recommend, actually, I'm going to go ahead later and scan the whole system and I'll show you how many codes we will have because of a dead battery. You can click auto scan and it will do all that for you. It doesn't take very long, so if you have that computer, I'll recommend doing that. You can see it's still going. We have 3 codes in the engine computer. This is because of low voltage as well. So we're at 18% scanning so far and we're almost getting there now. %. This is the airbag module now that we just reset. Okay. okay, everything's fine now. And you can see it keeps going. 28. Instrument cluster had 3 faults. Immobilizer as well because of the dead battery. You can see how many computers are in that car that was made in 2005. So still going, 46% on the 12th module, now at 53%. Now the last ones usually don't take as long as the first ones, because they're modules that do not have so many functions as well. They're not as complicated. So we're at 90% scanning on the system, 21 modules so far. And most of those codes, guys, are because of a low voltage. And they couldn't communicate with each other. Okay, you can see all the codes. You can get a report, but all I'm going to do, just click a quick erase. Everywhere there is a code, it's going to clear all the computers. That way there won't be anything left. And let's check out if the airbag light will be on after that. So after starting the Beamer, you can see the airbag light is completely gone. So that's how we did it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Many more videos to come on the channel. Don't forget to check out our official Facebook page on World Mechanics, and see you next time.